Have you ever considered how the heart might influence the size of your lungs? Today, we dive into the intricate relationship between these two vital organs and discover just how interconnected they truly are. The heart and lungs work together in a beautifully choreographed dance. The heart acts as a pump, sending oxygen-depleted blood to the lungs. Here, in the lungs, blood releases carbon dioxide and absorbs fresh oxygen during the breath cycle. This oxygen-rich blood then travels back to the heart, which circulates it throughout every corner of the body. Imagine the heart as an efficient, dynamic conductor. It dictates the pace and intensity of the blood flow with each contraction and relaxation. This process is not just about moving blood, it directly impacts how the lungs operate. As the heart contracts, it sends a surge of blood to the lungs, which in turn aids in the lungs' expansion as we inhale. This action helps increase the lungs' capacity, allowing for a greater volume of air to enter. On the flip side, as the heart relaxes, the lungs follow suit, decreasing in size to expel the carbon dioxide-rich air out of the body. This rhythmic cycle of expansion and contraction is essential for efficient breathing. Our 3D animations bring this dynamic to life, illustrating how the heart's rhythmic contractions cause corresponding movements in lung size. It's a visual feast that reveals the elegance and complexity of our body's internal dance. In summary, the heart does more than just pump blood. It plays a crucial role in regulating the size and functioning of the lungs. This relationship ensures that every breath we take is optimized for both the uptake of oxygen and the release of carbon dioxide, maintaining the delicate balance necessary for life. This exploration into the heart-lung connection not only deepens our understanding of human anatomy, but also highlights the incredible precision of our bodily functions. Each beat of the heart choreographs a step in the lungs' dance, a testament to the marvel that is the human body.